Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case if you're new here guys, I'm Zara Kashi. You're welcome to Sassy Girl Squad. So guys, today we're making Ogbono soup. So I have my goat meat here and some beef, okay? Then I have to spice my meat. I use seasoning cube, chicken bouillon, salt and other stuff, just spice it to your taste. Then I'm adding my onions. So guys, this is just how I prefer to cook my own Ogbono soup. Okay, so guys, what I'm adding now is my salt. I'm using pink Himalayan salt, just salt to taste. So now the next thing I have to add is my cayenne pepper, just a little bit of it. So guys, I have to add my Cameroon pepper, just a little bit of it, except if you like pepper too much. So for me, I like it moderate. Now I have to give it a quick stir to mix everything together so that the thing will marinate with the meat. My spices will marinate the meat. Now I have to turn off my stove to let it cook for at least 20 minutes. Still watching to this extent, please do well to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to know whenever I upload a new video. Also share this video to your friends and family, okay? It will help my channel a lot. Thank you. So guys, the next thing that I'm adding now is my stockfish. Okay, already washed stockfish. Please make sure to wash your stockfish with hot water to make sure that it's very clean. Okay, I'm just adding my crayfish. Okay, my granite crayfish. So after adding the crayfish, just give it a quick stir to mix everything together, then cover your pot. Just drinking my zobo to pass time. Okay, just to share. Then the next thing I'm adding now is my palm oil. Make sure to mix it very well before adding it. Okay, add my palm oil. It's now the time to add ogbono. Sometimes I do mix my ogbono with palm oil, but today I'm just adding them separately. Okay, so after adding it, make sure you stir it very well. Then let it sit for some minutes. There you have it. So guys, as you guys can see, the ogbono is ogbonoling, like it's very slimy. I love it, and the aroma is so nice. It's so nice. Oh my god, my kitchen is smelling so yummy, like oh my god. And now I'm adding my pumpkin, okay, my vegetable. If you have spinach, you can add spinach, but what I have is pumpkin, so I'm adding it. Just give it a quick stir and turn off your stove. There you have it. You can serve this with your fufu, with your eba, with your pounded yam, any one of your choice, and semolina, whatever you like. Trust me, you will love it. Try it out and let me know how it turned out. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.